Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I am here to review these new budget planners, and the creator is none other than Nicole from FrugalChicLife here on YouTube. So I will link her channel down below in the description box. And fun fact, I actually started watching Nicole around the time that I started YouTube 2 years ago. It's interesting because basically I started watching YouTube videos whenever I started creating YouTube videos. So she actually read my mind and went ahead and sent me another one without asking. So shout out to her for that. I'm going to keep one and then I'm going to give one away. I'm trying to figure out which one we should flip through. The one that I would be interested in giving away is probably the pink one, because I have no emotional attachment to either one of these colors because I don't really care for pink or blue. So I figure we'll go ahead. Let's go ahead and flip through the pink one. Okay, so this is how it comes packaged, or this is how mine came packaged. And I'm super excited to look at this budget planner because you guys know I am a budget planner. I stan a budget planner. I live for a budget planner. It does have a bookmark, which is pink and matches the cover, and it matches the color of this band, which I am here for because I don't really care for, like, some of the planners I have received have like very different colors for the bookmarks, which is kind of weird, like brown and colors that just don't match the planner at all. You know, although brown is kind of like a neutral color, but that's neither here nor there. So again, this is how the planner comes. The one thing that I noticed is that there is no pin loop, so we will have to see what the inside of this looks like. So let's go ahead and open it up and flip to the front page. And so far we have nothing on the front cover or on the front page. And then let's see what the guts look like. This is super cute. I'm already obsessed with this pattern. This is a really cute pattern. So it says, Beyond the Budget Money Planner, Plan to Prosper. Beyond the Budget Money Planner. This planner belongs to, designed by FrugalChicLife LLC, my money story. So that's something interesting that I have yet to see. And then we have a money journal. Earliest money memory. What messages did I receive about money growing up? How does my personality impact my finances? Money strengths, money weaknesses, or areas of improvement, and my word for the year. And then we have more money journal stuff. What's my financial why? What do I have in life? What do I value in life? What does true wealth look like? Retirement brain dump. What's my ideal retirement age? How much money will I need to retire? What does my ideal retirement look like? And then we have a vision board, and you can write out your ambitions and dreams and your different goals and what have you. We have a quote by Harriet Tubman, and it says, vision board, think, dream, feel, see. So I guess you could write down your different goals. Yes, and your different ambitions and dreams and what have you. Then just kidding. We can put our financial goals here. So we have enough space for 12 goals. So that is a great amount of space. And then we have a gratitude exercise. Develop an attitude of gratitude. And then we have income planner. Plan to prosper. Brainstorm additional ways to earn income. Love that. What skills, talents, and interests can I monetize? Here for that. And I'm already liking the pattern. And then we have notes section, 2 pages. Oh, now this is interesting because first of all, I wondered if the monthly view would be on 1 page or 2 page. I dislike a 1-page one because normally it's just one little section and I write big and I just have my own personal issues with that. So I'm here for the fact that this is undated and that it's big enough, because as we all know, I like to put like monthly financial notes over here, and I like to put all of my bills throughout. And of course, we're gonna see if one of my bill due stickers would fit in here. One of my mini ones, actually. Oh, well, my payday ones would, so that's good. Don't really feel like looking for, oh, here's some bill due stickers. I would say that would fit. So that could be a thing for me. This planner could actually be a thing for me because I could use my mini kit or my petite kit inside of here perhaps. And I can use my sticker and I could probably use my deco washi. Yep. So this could be a thing. So anyway, this is a month on 2 pages, which I already am loving. And then, hold on. If the monthly budget is not pre-filled with mortgage, electricity, water, what have you, then that's going to be right up my alley, but we're not there yet. So we're at monthly overview. We do this month's goals, important dates, upcoming purchases, notes, ideas, gratitude, challenge. I love that. And then we have our budget, our income sources, our budgeted, and our actual. So sometimes I'm a little indifferent about the income section because it forces you to, I like to have my income sources I like to have them, I guess, broken down, but this kind of, if you have a lot of income sources, it does challenge you to like confine them. So I'd probably have to do, probably my full-time job, my husband's full-time job, Etsy and YouTube, although I like to break them down further. So I'd probably just have to categorize them, which isn't a huge deal. We have our expenses, our due on, our budgeted, and our actual. Oh, this is the monthly page. Okay, we write down all of our bills and expenses here, and then we do our totals. Cool. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 25. So 25 of these, pretty good because I use about 18 right now, and I do like have to crunch some of the categories, which I don't like doing. I do it in my budget planner because I run out of space, I feel like, but I don't do it in every dollar. I like break everything down in every dollar. So love this so far. And then, oh, this is every month. So January, February, March. No, I just lied. Budget. Oh, I think this is if you want to do, no. This is maybe, timeout. This is maybe if you want to do like a monthly budget and then a paycheck to paycheck budget and then another one. I think Michelle's going to love this. A monthly budget, you could do a monthly budget, a paycheck to paycheck budget, another paycheck to paycheck budget, and then I guess another one. Or, well, yeah, you could do that. Or I was going to say maybe you can do all of your bills on one and then all of your expenses on the other. That would be redundant, but it does give ample space if you do have a lot of bills and expenses. And then what do we come to? We come to the monthly debt tracker. So we have debt balance, or the debt amount, interest rate, minimum payment balance, and then the total debt for the month. So I think we're doing a monthly thing. Yeah. And then we have another space, and then we have our expense tracker, date, description, amount, category. Okay. And then moving on. Okay. So we have 2 expense trackers. That's usually enough for most people, but I feel like I need probably 3 of those or 4 of those because we have like a bunch of expenses. So I would probably need 4 of those. So we have our expense trackers, then we have budget review. Okay, we can review the month, the biggest wins. Did I stick to my budget? If no, why not? Did I achieve this month's goals? If no, why not? Areas of improvement for next month. And then we have notes. So I think this is notes for, because we had notes up here. I think these were maybe notes for the first month, and then maybe these are notes for the second month. Okay, and then we keep going. Okay, cool. So this just repeats itself for X amount of time. I would imagine 12 times. And then we come to more notes back here. And then a year in review, your credit score, your annual take-home pay. I love that. Your annual household spending, your financial accomplishments this year, and your areas of improvement for next year. I love that. And then that actually ends the planner. So there is, I like lots of notes space. So I think it's ample if you get 2 per month. That's pretty good. And then that is pretty much it for the planner. So if you're asking me, if you want to know what I think about it, I love it. The only thing that I would want, and this is just me being picky, is a pin loop. But truth be told, I can add my own pin loop like I do literally every other planner, like this one. I have added my own little pin loop here. You can normally get them at different craft stores. You can make your own. They're normally quite cheap. Like, let's see if I have one that I've created that's within my reach. I do have a couple that I have created, but I don't think any of them are within my reach. So that would be the only thing that I would add to this planner, like me personally, to make it more functional for me. But otherwise, I really, really like it. You can decorate this with stickers just to kind of make it fun. You can put your name on it. I really like this Beyond the Budget money planner situation. It looks really classy, and I love the silver foil, so I'm living for that. Let's see what the blue one had. Okay, it has silver foil too. So I really like it. It's probably one of my favorites that I flipped through as far as like a budget planner journal type of situation of this caliber, because it's kind of like, to me, this screams journal. So it's kind of journal-ish. So again, I really, really like it. I think that she did an amazing job in incorporating all of these different aspects. And again, I really, really like it. So if you would like to get your hands on one of these, make sure that you click the link in my description box or in my comment section, because she has created an affiliate program, which means that if you purchase through my link, then I will get a commission off of that. And I don't even know what it is at this point, I don't think. But I will get a commission. So make sure that if you want it, you do purchase through my link. I will link where you can get this budget planner, and also her contact information and her YouTube channel and so on and so forth. So that is it for this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you in my next one. Bye, guys.